Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Loosen the 10 mm nut and remove the cable to prevent sparks and shorts. Chock the rear wheels, raise the front with a hydraulic jack, and support the truck on rated jack stands placed under the frame at a safe height. Wear gloves and safety glasses and allow the engine bay to cool for at least 30 minutes. Coolant or exhaust components can remain hot after running and can cause burns if handled immediately. Locate the starter on the bell housing below the intake manifold and transmission. Label each wire with tape before disconnecting to avoid miswiring. First, remove the small nut securing the positive lead, then unbolt the two starter mounting bolts using 13 mm sockets and a breaker bar, keeping track of bolt lengths and positions for reinstallation. Pull the starter straight out while supporting its roughly 12-pound weight to avoid dropping it, and inspect the ring gear and flywheel teeth for chipping or excessive wear before fitting the new unit. Position the new starter into the bell housing, hand thread the mounting bolts to ensure correct alignment, and then tighten them evenly with a torque wrench to 35 ft-pounds. Reconnect the positive lead to the starter and snug its nut, then reconnect the negative battery cable. Torque the battery terminal nut to about 10 ft-pounds to ensure a solid electrical connection. Lower the truck, remove jack stands and wheel chocks. Start the engine to verify proper cranking. And
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.